United States is non-committal with respect to CAATSA waiver to India. What is this CAATSA? CAATSA. CAATSA means Countering American Adversaries Through Sanctions Act 2017. In America, CAATSA was passed. What is the purpose of this CAATSA? If any country have a high value deal with American adversaries, specifically there are three adversaries to America. Adversaries means conflicting countries or enemies. North Korea, Iran and Russia. If any country have deals with these countries, then through CAATSA, America will impose sanctions. There is a section called section 231 of CAATSA, which mandates secondary sanctions on those countries who have high value deals with American adversaries. There can be an exemption for CAATSA sanctions on case by case basis. There is no blanket exemption. Sometimes America can exempt some countries on certain cases on case to case basis, which India is now asking America. India is planning to purchase MiG-29 aircrafts, around 21 MiG-29 aircrafts and Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter aircrafts from Russia. Now, India is requesting America to give a waiver from sanctions. As we all know, there were growing tensions and escalations in the Indian border. Particularly, we have seen last month the entanglement with China. In this perspective, India wanted to enhance its defense capability, particularly Indian Air Force. For that reason, India wanted to purchase fighter aircrafts from Russia. In 2013, India has a very big deal with Russia, S-400 Trump missile system deal. S-400 Trump, TRIUMF, Trump missile system deal. And America have not yet given any exemptions to India with respect to CAATSA, but still India is expecting it from America. Coming back, in the recent past, India and America are considered as strategic friends. The relations between India and America have seen a new height, no doubt about it. But with respect to exemptions, we need to wait. If you consider the last year's issue, there was an issue last year. America reimposed sanctions on Iran after Trump have come into power. And India is one of the largest purchasers of Iran's crude oil. When America started imposing CAATSA, India have almost made its crude oil imports from Iran almost zero. Even this shows that India is listening to America on certain issues, but with respect to Russian purchases, India have not stopped the defense deals with Russia, high value defense deals with Russia. And Prime Minister Modi, though he has a very good relationship with America and he wanted to forge a strong ties with USA, still he wanted to maintain strategic autonomy in our foreign relations. But let's see how far America gives waiver to India with respect to CAATSA. Till today, America is non-committal for granting waiver to India.